Hey everybody, good afternoon. This is going to be a quick snippet live. So if you've seen the snippets before, you know that's just where I jump right into whatever we're doing. I don't wait for people to get on or anything. We get right to the point. So in this live, I just wanted to show you guys quickly how I do my interchangeables. I know that Julie in her group had asked me if I would do a quick video to explain to people, hi Roxanne, how I do my interchangeables. And what I mean by an interchangeable is some part of the project is just that, something that can be interchanged. So what I'm going to use for the example today is my Post-it note holders. Okay, so what I do, now this comes as a kit. I sell these on my website, mysublimedesigns.com, and it comes with just the wood pieces. And then you have your choice of if you want a pencil-shaped unisub piece or if you want a rectangular unisub piece. So you have that choice. And then I decided to sell extras, just the blanks, so that if you want to make it an interchangeable item that you can. So what I mean by that is, here's a pencil with my name on it, right? Now, if I get tired of this pencil and I want a different design, I can, put this one on here. So now I'm ready for Halloween. I have my ghost. So what I do is I go to Walmart, wherever you want to get them, but I go and I buy these washers. And here's the ones that I get. These are 3/4 inch by 1/8 of an inch. The 1/8 of an inch is referring to the hole size in the washer. So you want a washer that's more solid. Some washers have bigger centers, but I like to have as much metal as possible. And these are about as thin as I can find them. I would say they're probably about a 1/16 of an inch thick. And like I said, they're 3/4 of an inch across. So these work for most of my interchangeables. I have bought bigger washers depending on what I'm doing, but most generally, these are the ones I get. These I get at Walmart, and they're like 97 cents a package. There's 11 pieces in here. But again, you can buy washers at any hardware store, lumber company, or whatever. So you need a washer. And then what I do is I just glue it to the center of my wood here. Now, the type of glue that I use, you can use whatever you prefer. But what I typically use is either, I have this super glue, wood glue, which comes from the Dollar Tree. So $1.25 for a bottle. Or this is some glue I had bought off of Amazon. It works really well also. So just whatever you find that works best for you. So you need your washer, you need your glue. Glue your washer on, let it dry good. Then what I do is I take my blank and I take my magnet. And you want to try to find the thinnest magnets that you can. You don't want a real thick one because then it's going to stick up too high. So this is, again, probably about a 1/16 of an inch, and it's probably about as thin as I can find, unless you just get like the magnet sheets that are real, like you could cut with your Cricut or a Silhouette. Those are even thinner, but this one works pretty good. So what I would do then, this has adhesive on the back, and so I would make sure that you get one with adhesive on the back. You don't want to have to mess with gluing your magnet to the metal. So I just center my magnet onto the, I am so goofy, center it onto the washer, right? And you're going to put the adhesive side up, okay? Then what you're going to do is take your blank, and for this one, I'm going to use this little pencil that says Kim Jenkins, and I'm just kind of lining it up here, like where I would want it to sit on my blank. Put it down, give it a little press, just to get the magnet to stick good. Kind of push it down, and then I'm good to go. So there you go. You can easily switch these out. So again, this is a design, this one that I did, and it's available on my website. And are ones that Julie has designed. So this one, I put my name on it. Now what she has done, she has a set of like 9 different designs. So she has a ghost, we have snowflakes, we have some kind of fall looking flowers. Wow, sorry about that. This one has acorns or whatever on it. But anyway, what she has done, she's given you 9 different designs, and then she's given you the same 9 designs with this white patch on it. So like if you do want to personalize it with a name, you can. So you can either just, like I said, here's the ghost. If you wanted to put the name on it, she has the same design with the white patch, and you would put the name over that. So there you go. If you have any questions, just let me know. This is how I do all my interchangeables. I just use a washer, and then I use a magnet. You can use Velcro. Some people do. I feel like the Velcro is even thicker than like using a washer and a magnet. Plus, it kind of wobbles a little. So this is my preference, but you're welcome to use whatever works for you guys. So here we go. We just made our Post-it note holder into an interchangeable. So thanks guys for jumping on with me. Again, this was just a snippet live. So we like to keep these short and sweet. If you have any questions, just post it in the comments, and I'm going to call Steven back and see why he had to call me twice in a row. I had just told him I'm going live. So anyway, thanks for jumping on, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye-bye.